High five, low five, down low, too slow. I think our work here is done. Rico, she didn't see anything. Let's blow this popsicle stand, boys.
Kaboom?
Yes, Rico, kaboom. High five, low five, down low, too slow. I think our work here is done.
Let's go, Ambipom! Use double hit!
I know you can do. We're gonna open a jar.
Rush!
Easy. Now you try. Easy. First get a jar. You try. First get a jar. Patrick, that's a bomb. Patrick, what the fuck?
Well, this is our last night together before the show, and I know that you haven't improved since we began. But I have a theory. People talk loud when they want to act smart, right? Correct!
I know you
So
can
if
do.
we
We're gonna
play
open a jar.
loud, people might think we're good.
Easy. Now you try.
Everybody ready?
First get a jar. You try.
And the
First
one,
get a jar.
and the two,
Patrick, that's
and
a
the one,
bomb.
2, 3,
Patrick, what the
4.
fuck?
Well, this is our last night together before the show, and I know that you haven't improved since we began. But I have a theory. People talk loud when they want to act smart, right? Correct!
I know
So
you can do.
if we
We're gonna
play
open a jar.
loud, people might think we're good.
Easy. Now you try. First get a jar. You try.
And the
First
one,
get a jar.
and the two,
Patrick, that's
and the
a
1, 2,
bomb.
3,
What the
4.
fuck?
Excited and afraid, Chef! Okay, let's count it down, people! 3, 2, 1! Right in his calculation! Now, Turtwig! Protect the cargo with Energy Ball!
Energy ball!
Turtwig, try it again and aim carefully!
Buckle up, everybody! It's fritter time! We love you, Miss Fritter!
Oh, yeah! Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection! Oh, wait.
Run! Oh, no.
Remember?
Hey, Squidward, check this out.
What's that?
Squidward, we already played Babble like an idiot.
Why are you still here?
Well, since we finished everything on the list, I thought I'd make up a new one. I already filled up this book with ideas. We should be able to finish by January.
Forget the book! I spent the whole day with you doing all kinds of ridiculous things because you were supposed to explode!
You want me to explode?
Yes! That's what I've been waiting for!
Okay, I'll try.
Gary! You are gonna finish your dessert! And you are gonna like it!
Now it's your turn.
That's not what I meant, you bubblehead! No! You're supposed to explode into a million...
Why would I
Well,
do that?
this is our last night together before the show, and I know that you haven't improved since we began. But I have a theory. People talk loud when they want to act smart, right? So we can open a jar. People might think we're good. And the one, and the two, and the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, Squidward, check this out.
What's that?
Squidward, we already played Babble like an idiot.
Why are you
collection. Oh,
Hey, Squidward, check this out.
What's that?
We already played Dabble like an idiot.
Why are you still here?
Well, since we finished everything on the list, I thought I'd make up a new one. I already filled out this book with ideas.
Here, Sandscape Lodge. We know there. One side of the